Recently I planned to make a Gundam model with Lego blocks. It has been my wish for a long time. It took me half a year to design and prepare the money. Today is the first time to show it to everyone. Today I confirmed the skeleton and a part of the armor. This is blocks checking list. Oh my god, so many. I think I will become a poor girl soon. I just went out to pick up 2 packages. This is the first batch of blocks I bought. Let's open it and see what they are. I designed the head of Gundam last night. These parts were customized, because I searched all the online shopping stores, but I could not find the white blocks. Where should I store them? No, here is full. How about this one? This room is filled with parts from Bugatti Veyron. Oh, since Bugatti is mentioned, I made a shoulder joint of Gundam today. Let me hang Bugatti on it, and test his load-bearing ability. Wow. Good job. Bugatti's semi-finished product weighs about 1.5 kilograms.